interesting to consider. Whatever observations that you make will, again, when we come back, we'll report. Again, comparison between the performance of men and women. The performance according to the sport. Running versus swimming. And all the I wonders that you may have, we'll share. Yes, darling?
I think running is faster because like the molecules are more open, so it's harder to do.
Okay, so his conjecture is that the speed is going to be much higher than swimming because of the density of the water and the amount of force that it takes to displace and move forward. Is that what you meant? Excellent. Other predictions?
I predict that running's definitely going to be faster because I remember when I swim, like when I'm starting to get ready for my swim, like my swim season, I remember my coach is easily walking right next to me. So if there's, like, if he was walking probably normally, I could probably go half the, like, my coach, if he was regularly walking, at the same time it would take him to walk 25 meters, it would probably take me like half. I'd be like halfway.
Very interesting frame for comparing. Very interesting frame. Other predictions?
How many meters? Do you guys have the swim? Yeah, do you guys have the timing still?
I want to
Wow. They'd be going like 2 meters a second.
Does somebody want to say 6 times faster? Explain why that would not be a good fit? Go.
Well, 6 times faster when I did 47.58 divided by 6, I got 7.93. And then I know 5 times faster isn't up there, but when I did 47.58 divided by 5, it's a lot closer and it's 9.516 hundredths.
Did you hear what he explained? Good question. Let's start by running. Where do you think the graph of the data for women's in the same event is going to be? And why? Where should we place the data for 100-meter running on this very same graph chart? So that visually we can quickly look and compare. I said, talk with your people for a couple of minutes. We still have 3 minutes. And then draw the pictures that you believe would be close approximations. And then we'll talk about this some more tomorrow. Fair enough? Go at it. And you can use different color markers and build an explanation for why you think your graph is in fact.
So, I was thinking.
And once you have your graphs, you can send them. You can take a photo and post there. Let's do that. Gold medals, silver medals, etc., etc. What if we had the 2 gold medals during the 1988? Where would we put it? How would we include that? Which one is yours? Okay, let's look at Ben. That, right? Ben says, go, tell us what.
Well, because if you draw a line, you're pretty much saying that you hit the gear in between every single one, but you're not, so you don't really have to draw a line, but if you just look at the graph, it says gold medal under 2016, so it shows that you got a gold medal, and then you also got a silver medal in 2016, so there's 2 dots there, silver and showing that you got a gold and a silver.
This one?
No,
This one?
yeah.
Oh, excellent. So, but what if we have 2 gold medals that year?
Well, first you can't get gold medals. In different
Yeah.
events.
So ours is-
different events.
well,
Well,
ours
in
is
different
tied.
events, but we're not.
What is
talking
yours?
about-
Yeah, in chapter 16, it's
Rio de Janeiro.
Huh? Yeah, Rio.
Ours is 100 meter freestyle. It's high.
Okay. Is this one yours? That one or this one?
None.
We didn't either. Neither. We didn't make one, but in ours somebody did not.
Canada.
Some for Canada.
Okay, so how would be, the question is, for those sorts of special occasions, how would the graph account for?
You could put a dot above or below.
Okay, she says, oh, I'm sorry, he says we can put a dot, like a histogram, a dot above or below. If there are situations where we have like reporting on multiple events, did you post your graph? Did you post your graph? I want people to see your graph too. That it would tell us, for instance, that they go.
They did it like faster than the women or men, and they did it like 2 meters.
It's very nice. Did you hear what he said? He said they swam 2 meters per second. This was faster, so it cannot be meters per second. Go.
Well, if he went 0.9 meters per second, then he wouldn't be going anywhere anytime soon.
Did you get that? He says if we look at that one, if it were not 0.9 meters per second for 100 meters, it would be like 100 of the 0.9s, which would be way over a minute.
Yeah.
You like my argument now, Miss Ivy?